Probably like a 70.
I looked at it just now.
I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Multiplying by polynomials, box method. Box method is going to give you the same answer as yesterday's FOIL method. It's just a different way of doing it, okay? So after today, if you still prefer yesterday's method, you can work out today's homework the way you did yesterday. Now, to do box method, you're going to draw a 2x2 box. So you draw a square, and somebody said with the plus sign in the middle. Okay? You're going to write your binomials along the outer edges of the box. You're going to multiply to get each box value. Like terms can always be found diagonally from each other. Combine those. Then you write your answer in standard form. Okay? So let's start here with number 1. You're going to separate those terms along the outer edges of the box. X minus 5, x plus 3. Okay? So for the first box, you multiply what's above it and what's beside it on the outside. You multiply x times x. X times x is?
X squared.
X squared. For the next one, you're going to multiply, for this box right here, what is above it? Negative 5. What is beside it? X. So x times negative 5?
Negative 5x.
Negative 5x.
Okay, I think I get this.
Okay. For the next box, what is above it? X. What is beside it? 3. So 3 times x?
3x.
3x. And then finally, for the last box, what is above it? Negative 5. What is beside it? 3. So negative 5 times 3?
Negative 15.
Negative 15. And then from there, your like terms will always be diagonal from each other. So these are always going to be the ones that you add together. Okay? Now, we've had a lot of mistakes with this part of it, with adding these numbers. One mistake is that you're just not adding negatives and positives correctly. You guys are so used to doing all of this math in your head that you're still trying to do it, and let's just say you're not strong with adding positives and negatives together. So please, even if you're typing in 2 plus 2 in the calculator, use your calculator because you're making simple mistakes. You're making mistakes that could be fixed by just typing it into the calculator. So to type in negative 5 plus 3 in the calculator, you can do it one of a few ways. Let me pull up my camera. All right. You can do it as negative 5 plus 3. You can do it 3 minus 5. But the only way that you cannot type this into the calculator is by typing 3 minus a negative, okay? Never put a minus and negative next to each other because what that does is it creates a plus sign right there, okay? So, negative 5 plus 3 or 3 minus 5. You can also do 3 plus negative 5. Plus a negative is fine, okay? All right. So we get, when we combine those, we get negative 2x. I'm going to write that, negative 2x over here. So you get x squared minus 2x minus 15. Now, I have had several people throughout the day make the mistake of whenever they're multiplying this part, let me get my little laser. Whenever they're multiplying this part, they're getting 2x squared. No, 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1. Okay, x times x is x squared. So no, it's not 2x squared. Also, whenever you combine these two, I'm getting some people put a square on this. No, you do not do that. I'm also getting students that even though this is written correctly, they still go back in and add these two. No, you cannot add an x squared with an x. Okay, this is your final answer. Got it? All right. Let's look at number 2. Separate your terms across along the sides. For the first box, what are we multiplying? 3x times 2x. 3 times 2 is? And x times x?
X squared.
For the next box, 3x times 7. 3 times 7?
21.
X. Now, we had a problem yesterday in the assignment where there was a 3 times 7. A lot of people were putting 27. If you don't know your multiplication facts, then put it in the calculator.
It's
3 times
21.
7 is not 27.
It's 20.
I can't tell you the amount of people that put 27. Okay?
Hey, if it says not me,
Is one of the person me?
Probably. So, 2x times negative 1 is
7. Negative
Two,
2.
negative 2.
negative
I
2x.
thought she was on.
And then negative 1 times, even though, hey, pay attention.
Yeah.
Even though you see this plus and minus here, you're still multiplying to fill in the box. Okay, the first part is still to multiply because I've also had some people try to add. Okay, anyway, but 7 times negative 1 is what?
Negative 7.
Negative 7. And then you combine
And then 21x.
the middle two, right?
Yeah.
So in your calculator, 3 different ways you can type it. 21 plus negative 2.
19.
21 minus 2, or negative 2 plus 21. But either way, never put a minus and negative next to each other. Okay? So that gives you what? 19x. Final answer, 6x squared plus 19x minus 7. That is your final answer. Do not combine 6 and 19. Got it? Got it?
Yeah.
All right. You try number 3.
Yeah, I got this.
Oh,
This
yeah.
level.
Give you a couple of minutes.
3x negative 2.
I forgot. Put-
Try number 3.
Man, someone made a joke about Stephen Hawking.
Who's that?
Probably you.
Is that the dude from the wheelchair?
Yes, it's the dude in the wheelchair that's incredible at science.
Doesn't he have extra chromosomes?
Yes.
Hey, focus. Focus. Everybody got it?
No.
No? Okay.
What's 9 times
Right.
3? 27.
If you can do that in your head, go and try something. Make it.
Focus. Are you done?
What am I?
Are you done?
Miss, are we supposed to multiply negative 9 times 3 or just add it?
Oh, miss, I wish.
To fill in the box, you multiply.
Okay.
It's
That's what I did, bro.
It's actually easier.
Ready?
Yeah.
No. That's positive, ain't it?
There's, I gotta put, man, you wanna know what they said?
I'm there. I'm there.
All right.
Where his last words.
So, first box, 1x times 3x. 1 times 3 is?
3
X times x?
x squared.
All right.
Dang it.
Next box, 1x times negative 2.
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x.
Next box, 3x times negative 9.
Negative 27x.
27.
Not a race. Not a race. Last box, negative 9 times negative 2.
18.
Why are we what? Okay.
Okay, algebra.
All right. When you combine negative 27 and negative 2, what do you get?
Negative 29. X.
Correct. So we get 3x squared minus 29x plus 18. Okay? Questions?
No. Not really. Side word.
All right.
Oh, what the?
Number 4. Ready?
Yeah, kind of.
No.
Sure.
What do you think we're going to do with number 4? What's different about it?
It has an exponent.
As an exponent. What does that exponent tell us? You're going to multiply what?
2 with the.
You can't distribute because of the plus sign.
Why not? Why not?
What not?
Can't you just
We have done that.
can't you just distribute it to the 4 and then the 2 too?
You can't. No, that doesn't work that way.
He shows that.
It's like distributing.
Can we like break it down or something?
Okay, if don't write this down. Do not write this down. If we were to distribute 4x to the power of 2, you're thinking 16x squared. 2 to the power of 2 plus 4. That's what it would be if. Okay? That's not it.
I mean, that's not
A square tells us that we're multiplying whatever it is times itself. So this would be the same as writing
Oh.
4x plus 2 times 4x plus 2. It's still a binomial. You still use box method on it. Got it? So 4x 4x2. You're
That's
just writing the
what-
same. You're writing the same thing along the sides.
That's what I thought.
Okay, so I think I get it. I think I saw
That's
it.
not how you explained it. All right. 4x times 4x is
Negative is 16x squared.
Did you know that we were learning about this in science?
Punnett
We're learning
square.
about Adam, what are you talking about?
Why did I mention Punnett squares in first period and nobody knew what I was talking about?
No.
Oh, we're not first period.
You're
probably,
You're not?
learning.
We are.
No, we're learning about how to add up molecules and formulas.
With excellent.
Like to the
Yeah, but that's not what this is.
It's similar. Like you fill it in a similar way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're talking about like the different combinations of genes?
Yes. No.
Yeah. No?
We're just
Molecules.
learning how to count.
No, we're learning how to add. Bro.
Anyway, off topic. 4x times 2.
Basically counting out.
6, 8, and
Thank you.
Distribute the two with all the
4x times 2.
8x.
And 2 times 2 is?
4.
Always combine your diagonal.
Why not zero out?
genuinely can't see.
So,
It's not
you, is one of them negative? They're both positive. So 8 plus 8 is 16.
Wait, we have to put a
Oh
Alright.
yeah, we have to add. I was thinking subtract.
No, we're not doing butterfly. We're combining like terms.
Dude, calm down. Now, even though you see two 16s there, still, you cannot add those because one has an x squared, the other one doesn't. The other one has a regular x. This is your final answer. Got it? All right.
Also, so the one on the bottom left and the one on the top right are gonna be the two middle ones. Right?
Top right, bottom left, yes. Yes.
Those are gonna be the ones that always
Combine.
go-
hmm
Okay.
All right.
I do get this.
There was a lot of mistakes here where we have two different variables, so make sure you're paying very close attention. Ready? X times x,
X squared.
x squared. Now, 1x times negative 3y,
Negative 3xy.
okay? Negative 9y times 1x.
Negative 9xy.
Even though you're multiplying the variables backwards, you still put them back in alphabetical order. So it's negative 9xy. Now, the last box is negative 9y, negative 3y. Negative 9 times negative 3 is...
Positive 27y.
I didn't ask. I asked what is 9 times 3. Okay?
Oh,
You're ruining my video here.
my bad.
Negative 9 times negative 3 is
27.
positive 27. Don't forget, you're also multiplying y times y. Y times y is y squared. Some people missed out on that y squared on yesterday's assignment, so make sure you're paying attention. Now, when we combine, you're adding two negative numbers. When you add two negative numbers, they remain negative. Negative 9 plus negative 3 is what?
Negative 12.
Two negatives make a positive is a multiplication rule. You're adding here. So negative 9 plus negative 3 is negative 12.
Yeah, yeah. Bro.
Now, one reason I do like the box method and I prefer the box method over FOIL method is on a problem like number 6, where you have to multiply a binomial times a trinomial. Okay? A box method does help for longer problems like this. I've seen one in the past 6 years, one problem like this on the STAR test. So it is possible that this could come up, okay? So go ahead and separate your terms.
Oh wait, I understand.
I don't.
And this is like the way we distributed when we added that extra day, okay? All right, so for the first box, 2x times x squared.
2x cubed.
Correct. For the next square, 2x times 3x
6x.
And 6
Squared.
squared. The next box, 2x times negative 5.
Negative 10x.
Okay. The next box, negative 8 times x squared.
Negative 8
Negative 8x
squared.
squared.
Okay. The next box, negative 8 times 3x. Yes. And then the last one, negative 8 times negative 5. Positive 40. This one you can use two negatives to make a positive. Now, The reason I like the box method on this, still, you combine the diagonal. Those two combine, and these two combine. Okay? So bring down your 2x cubed. Negative 8 plus 6 is what?
2
Negative 2x.
2x.
Mm-hmm. Then negative 24 plus negative 10, or negative 24 minus 10.
Negative 34.
Mm-hmm.
X.
And then plus 40 at the end. Now, none of these combine. Once you're done combining from the box, you're done. You cannot combine x cubed with x squared or x squared with x. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
All right.